Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable designing event posters in Canva, full guide step by step clearly. To enable designing event posters in Canva, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up for free. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. In the search bar, type event poster and press enter. A variety of templates will appear for you to choose from. Browse through the options until you find a design that fits your event theme. Click on the template to open it in the design editor. On the left side of the screen, you will see editing tools and options. You can customize the text by clicking on the text boxes. Delete the default text and enter your event details. To change the font style, highlight the text and select it. Adjust the font size and color using the options available in the toolbar. If you wish to add images, click on the Uploads tab. Upload your own images or choose from Canva's library. Drag and drop the images into your design where necessary. You can resize and crop images using the corner handles. To add additional elements, click on the Elements tab. Search for shapes, icons, or illustrations that complement your poster. Simply drag and drop any element onto your canvas to include it. Adjust the placement and size of all elements until you are satisfied with the layout. If you need to change the background, click on the Background tab. Choose a color or pattern that enhances your poster's overall design. When your design looks perfect, it's time to save your work. Click on the Download button located at the top right corner. Select your desired file format, such as PDF or PNG. Click Download again to save the poster to your device. Now you're ready to print or share your event poster. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.